Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes how to fix Windows 10 shutdown problem. First method is, type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Control Panel. Power Options. Click Change Plan Settings. Click Change Advanced Power Settings. Expand PCI Express. Change settings to off. Click Apply. OK. Second method is, type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as Administrator. Type power CFG space -H space off. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.